In this video, I am discussing 5th standard mathematics, chapter 7, circles, exercise 7.2. Before going to exercise, see some basic concepts. Construction of a circle of a given radius. You have learned to construct circle using compasses. Using only compasses, draw a circle with different radii. Radii means plural. Now let us construct a circle of radius 2. This is a circle of radius 2. See, needle pointing 0 and pencil edge pointing 2. This is of centimeter, 2 centimeter. Steps of construction. Mark a point O, the center of circle. Second step, keep the needle of your compass and the edge of pencil on a scale as shown in figure, like this, so that radius is 2 centimeter. Using this, draw a circle like this. This is circle of radius 2 centimeter. Next, discuss with your teacher convenient method of folding compasses. Precaution to be taken while constructing a circle. You first draw, you will know these precautions. Third one, keep the needle of compass on O. See, this is the needle of compass. Put it on O, mark point O. Without changing the position of compasses, draw a circle. Okay. Next, mark a point on circle. Mark a point P on circle. This is a point P on the circle. Join OP. This is OP. Measure OP. Write measurement of radius on OP. This is 2 centimeter. Measurement is 2 centimeter. One activity is given. See, Rita has to construct a circle of radius 4 centimeter, but her scale is broken. She has placed the needle of compass on broken scale as shown in figure. It is on 7. As she has to construct a circle of radius 4 centimeter, at which point, they are asking, at which point she has to place the tip of pencil. This is, she want to draw 4 centimeters. This is here to here. Consider 0, 1, 2, 3, 4. She put a pencil edge at 11 centimeter. Help her draw a line on that point. Okay. This is the required point. Next, exercise 7.2. First one, construct circle with the following radii. 2 centimeter, take a scale 0, 0, 1 centimeter, 2 centimeter, 3 centimeter, 4 centimeter. In between, millimeters are there. 1, 2, 3, 4, up to your scale has 15 or 30 centimeter. Using scale and compass, measure given radii and draw a circle. Next, second one, the students in the following figures have to draw circles with the given radii. So the student have placed the compasses on the scale as shown. If they have placed the compass correctly, put right mark. If not, put wrong mark. Take correct measurement and construct the circle in your book. Okay. This is a wrong measurement because here needle edge is pointing 1. Needle edge should be in 0. Put here, and from 0 to 6. This is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. This needle edge should be here. This is correct. Next, 0 to 4.5. This is right. 4.5 centimeter. Here 5 centimeter. She puts into needle should be 0. Needle points 0 to 5 means 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Pencil edge here 0, 1, 0 to 5. This is the correct way of measurement. This is wrong. This is I pointed rightly. Next 3.3 centimeter. See, is out of 0. Needle should be here. This is right. This is the correct way of measurement. Next, mark a point O with 0 as center. Draw a circle with radii 2 centimeter, 3 centimeter, 4 centimeter, 5 centimeter, and 6 centimeter. This is a center O. Draw like this. This is 2 centimeter. I am drawing rough diagram. You can measure and draw neatly. This is 3 centimeter. This is 4 centimeter. Next, 4, 5. This is 5 centimeter. Next, this is 6 centimeter. These are all radius with the common center O. Common center O here. 2 centimeter, 3 centimeter, 4 centimeter, 5 centimeter. This is of 6 centimeter. This is 6 centimeter. Draw like this. This completes your exercise 6.2. In the next video, I will discuss chapter 8 length. If you like the video, hit the like button. Subscribe this channel for more videos. Thank you for watching.